The moment we get the timetable for the exam, then we get serious and start our preparation. This is what the Indian student mentality. So in this video, I'll be giving you tentative important dates for TISS 2021 so that we become serious and rigorously start our preparation, as approximate 120 days are left for the exam, guys. So this is what the tentative dates for TISS 2021. So application form will start by October mid and it will get closed by November end. After then you will be getting your admit card by December, and as usual exam will be happening in the month of January first week. So as of now September mid is ongoing और October में अपना notification निकलेगा guys. So if you are watching my this video today, ये मान लो कि आपका TISS 2021 का नोटिफिकेशन आउट हो गया है गाइस. जो फीलिंग आपको अक्टूबर में आने वाली थी, मिड ऑफ अक्टूबर में जब भी आपका नोटिफिकेशन आउट होगा, वो फीलिंग आपको सितंबर में आ गई. Which means 1 month before you got a kick for your preparation. So utilize this 1 month strategically. So by Feb month you will be getting your result. After then there will be PIT PI preparation. Alright, so this is what the detailed syllabus for your quant and data interpretation. So in your quant you have to prepare for arithmetic, algebra, number system, modern maths and geometry, whereas arithmetic is dominating area, and for data interpretation these are the detailed topic you have to prepare. Please pause the video and go through all these detail guys and prepare for the same goes to the English section. These are the detailed topic. Please pause the video and go through all this topic. And for logic, traditional, verbal and critical, analytical. But in your TISNET exam, they ask very few questions from the logical area. But then too, you have to prepare for all these topic to be in the safer side. And last one is nothing but your GK guys, static and current affairs. These are the detailed topic for the static and current affairs. And the student those who applied for the HRM and ODCL, they have to write TISMAT also. They have to prepare for the business GK. These are the detailed topic you have to prepare for business GK. So guys, while you are preparing, Tiger is running behind me. So अगर इस साल TIS का एग्जाम नहीं निकाला, so I'll be wasting my 1 year, which is not advisable and not affordable as well, because competition every year increasing for the TISS. So if I talk about number of competition, approximate 40 to 50,000 applicant write this exam. So think accordingly guys, where you can get the space for your selection. So rather than thinking about this competition, I would say just think कि मुझे एक सीट TISS में चाहिए, that's it, and worry about this one seat only rather than thinking about this competition. Alright, so in case if you want to join for the online program or the live classes batch for 2021 and 22, you can contact on 8828581455. And if you want to order the books, mock test, sectional full course program, kindly log on to menuedu.com/MBA entrance. Same link I have given in the description, so kindly check the description. Do hit the subscribe button guys to get more updates about the TISS. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.